Almost every week, someone sits across from me and asks a version of the same question. They love their street. The kids walk to school with the same friends they've had since kindergarten. But the house just doesn't seem to fit for them anymore. And they are stuck on one thing. Do we fix this or do we find something else? Here's what I tell them, and it might surprise you coming from a home remodeler. Sometimes moving is the right call. If the lot can't give you what you need or the bones of the house are working against you, a different house may be the cleaner answer. And I would rather tell you that now than 6 figures into the wrong project. But a lot of the time, the thing people are about to walk away from is the part that is the hardest to replace. That's the neighborhood. The trees that took 25 years to get that big. The neighbor who grabs your mail when you travel. You can remodel a kitchen, but you know what? You can't remodel a street. So the honest version is this. Moving costs more than the sticker price on the next house. Once you add everything nobody puts into the spreadsheet. Remodeling, sure, it means living through some dust and making some decisions. Neither one comes without its trade-offs. So my advice before you call a realtor or even call me, get the real numbers in front of you. That's the only way this stops being a feeling and becomes an actual decision. And if you want to talk through it with someone who will tell you the truth either way, you know where to find us. And we're here to listen.